Wait, pause the goddamn video for 1 second. Guys, finally, we are doing what I've suggested for time. This is what I need. I'm so sick of freaking entitled Karens. I want to forget about them. Let's see some kindness. Okay, we're up. Aww. You know, I've already forgot about them. That's so cute, man. That's so cute. That's so nice. He helps her up. She's just trying to get in her car. Wow, you know what? Big A+ there. Love it, guys. Love it.
Aww. Aww. That's so nice. That's so nice. That's so nice. I love that little dog. So cute. I hope he's okay. Hope he's in a good place now at a nice home with lots of food. Lots and lots of food and pets. Oh, that's nice, man. Rescue dog videos really just, they hit me.
Sick type. So I decided to give him a Hot Wheel of his car. Oh, dude, I think I've seen videos like this before. I think that this guy, like the guy who puts the Hot Wheel on there, like I think he does that. Like I've seen like other videos of this as well. Like he's done this like more times than one. Like, yeah. That's so cool. I just walked into my car and I was like, oh my god, dude, like just that thought, man. It's just like somebody's out there thinking about you, wanting you to have a good day, and like what a small thing that's like nothing. It's a Hot Wheels, you know. It's like, how much does that cost? Like hardly anything, right? But it's just like boom, like I guarantee you just made that guy's month.
That's how you know he's a good teacher, man. Aww.
There's the card, Blakey! There's the
That's so cute. That's so cute. Aww. They're so stoked. Like, they're just so excited to be doing that nice thing for him. Like, that's how you know he's a freaking awesome teacher. That's so sick. I love that. Aw. Man, he probably went home and felt so good that day. Not because of the shoes, because like, that's just, wow. Wow, this is really setting my day off on a good note. I'm liking this video so far.
No, we're taking a break!
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
A barber showed his support to his friend who was battling cancer by doing this.
Yeah, there we go. Get it done, dude. Get it done. Respect. Respect, man. You know, like, you gotta love videos like that. Obviously, like my dude in the chair, like he is going through it right now, and you know, hearts out to that man. Like, hopefully, like his, you know, he's fighting that good fight and he is winning, right? But it's like it takes little actions like that to like keep him motivated and like keep him in the game, man. So just like, yes, you're like, yes.
Aww. He's like, please. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Please, like my Uber driver just like gets gas. My Uber driver never saves ducklings. That's so cute. Wow, 5 stars for sure. No problem.
When was the last time you had a nice pair of shoes, bro? About 2 years. 2 years? I got you some new Jordans, bro.
Yo. Damn.
Spaghetti's your favorite food, right? I got you some spaghetti, bro.
Yeah, literally, it's like my dude's just down on his luck, you know, like something. And like, this isn't, is this gonna change like the rest of his life? No, it's not. Is it gonna make him not homeless anymore? No, it isn't. But it's gonna give this guy like literally a fighting shot to just wake up tomorrow and be like, okay, like we can do this, like we can tackle this, you know. And sometimes that's just like the little Kickstarter that people need, right? So respect.
Oh my gosh, kids are so cute sometimes. Aww. Sometimes they're absolute monsters, but there are moments when they're just really good people. That's so cute and nice. What a thoughtful kid, man. Hope he got extra candy. Whole pillowcase full.
We are having taco night. So if you like to eat, you just come over.
Oh my God, protect this woman at all costs.
And you're welcome to get it. You hear me? I called it and you didn't answer because I think you're busy. But anyway, we are having taco night. Good night. Goodbye.
What a sweet little angel. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my, I want to go over for taco night at her house. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. Wow, that would be such a nice message, even if you were like away and you just had to see it on your phone. What a sweet message. That's so nice. I really hope that they had a taco night together at some point, even if it wasn't tonight, just someday. That's so cute. What the heck?
So what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna give you your tip right here. That's $100. You just paid off my car, sir. Keep it nice. Don't let people frustrate you. Here you go. Here go another $100.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me do good there. Here go another $100.
Let's go, man. Throwback to the last video that I did where it was like somebody posting online. It's like somebody gave them like literally fake money when they tipped them, right? And now we're getting something like this, you know, like thank God. I'm so sick of looking at like people giving out fake money and being tools. I want to see people being nice, and like this is it, dude. Like that guy just said, like you just helped pay off my car, you know? Like these are real life problems that like people, like everyone's dealing with. Like that guy on the bus, like that dude walking down the street, like everyone's dealing with them, and like we don't know about it. But the second that you show them some kindness, it's like wow, like all that armor comes off, and it's like here you are. Love it.
What you doing for Christmas? Christmas? I mean, I gotta get to Thanksgiving first. I'm going to give out turkeys back in the hood. I'm with you. You want me to come?
That's so nice. What the heck?
You will? I appreciate it though, big dog. Hang on. But I'm gonna be in the hood giving out turkeys, trying to restore my community.
That's so cute. You will? Man, handing out turkeys? That's really nice. That's cool. What are you doing for Christmas? He's like, I gotta get through Thanksgiving first. That's so true. In Canada, we have Thanksgiving like a month before the American Thanksgiving. The American Thanksgiving is like less than a month before Christmas. You guys got a lot of holidays going on. Boom, 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 right back to back. Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas. Dang, you guys gotta eat a lot of turkey in 1 month. Oh, dang. Oh, that's so funny. I liked that video. That was nice. Just football players giving back to the community.
Oh, it's so freaking cute. Look at him.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
I watched the duck race.
Oh my God. The ducky. I love you. Wow. I love this duck. That is, dude, that's like the most famous duck ever. Like that is literally like an A-list celebrity duck. Like, and he made it. I don't know how far that thing ran, but like he was gunning it, man. Like he was keeping up with all them human beings. It's like, damn, these human beings are quick, but like me, I'm quicker, bro. Like I'm making it to the end. Like let's go, dude. Wow. First duck marathon runner ever. Elite.
Want to wish you happy birthday.
I want you to give me your hand.
That's really cool. Wow, that's really cool. That's nice.
Freaking way.
Cool.
They did not.
That's really cool.
You guys are amazing.
Aw.
It's insane.
That's just a nice video. Like, that's really all I can say about that. That's just nice. Man, what restaurant is that? They deserve the recognition as well. That's crazy. Oh, cool. That's nice. I like seeing how happy she is. That's fucking sweet.
Okay, we're at a wedding. Got the wheelchair going on. We're gonna help him. What are we doing? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. That's so nice, man. Damn. Wow. Wow. That one, honestly, that one got to me a little bit, guys. That one got to me a little bit. Like, yeah, man. People can be good. People can be good. You know, when they're not being Karens, people can be pretty good. And yeah, this is good. I like it.
Se você marcar gol, você pode fazer essa dancinha?
Qual? Vamos fazer essa aí, então. Fechou?
Boom. Oh yeah. Get to the back of the net. Yeah. He's got the whole team going. Let's go. Dude, that kid, can you imagine? I wish that we had it on camera. That kid watching the TV as he did that, man. Like, you already know, like, his entire world. Like, that's a key memory right there, man. Like, that is absolutely a defining moment in this kid's life.
Oh, here's your baby back. Oh. Oh. Come here, little guy. What the heck? That's so nice. Wow. This is so cute. This is so cute. Hold on. Oh. I want to hug the baby sloth too. That's so cute. Sloths are so weird. That's so cute. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I can't. Can we do videos like this all the time? Just snuggled up, back safe with their mom. Oh, we love it. We love to see it. Just some sloth content. We should do a whole sloth video.
Okay, what are we doing here? We're digging something. Aww. Aw, yo, that's so cute. That is literally, wow, husband, like a husband material right there, dude. And you know what, this just goes to show, like, I'm clearly not ready for that, because, like, I just would never, like, I would love to do that, I just never would have thought of that. Like, my guy's just, like, thinking about shit that, like, other people, like, we ain't even on that, dude. Like, wow, elite levels of husband material. Wow, we are in a packed streetcar. A little bit triggered, I'll be honest. Okay. I totally missed it. Chris, did you see anything there?
Yeah, he's putting his hand on the bar and he's shit.
Oh, is that what's going on? Okay. Okay, so I think my dude, yeah, literally, like, my guy's just, like, making sure, basically, like, she is not going to, wow, she's passed out. Like, whoever that is passed out. That takes, that is literally a talent right there. If you can just, like, fully pass out standing up on a packed streetcar, I wish I had that ability. And I also wish, if I had said ability, that I had dudes like this, making sure that my head doesn't knock on the freaking bar, because that would suck. So, shut up, my dude. That's really cool of you.
I got Arby's.
No, I'm not who you're expecting, but your driver got arrested for things he had to take care of.
Oh my gosh. What would you even do? You wouldn't even know what to do. That's so funny.
So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you. Take care. Thanks!
That's really nice of him to finish the order. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I wonder what the driver got arrested for. Holy smokes. Man, hope she gave him a tip. That's really funny and awkward, but amazing. Wow, good for him. Thank God they had a Ring doorbell or else no one would believe it.
Okay. What are we doing? Oh. We just, what is that? Yo. He just gave, wow, he literally just gave his umbrella away. That is elite. That's literally, wow. I mean, like, I'm actually just not in a position in my life where I could be like giving away umbrellas and stuff like that. But I guess this guy is, and you know what? Maybe he's not either. Maybe he's not either. Maybe he does, maybe that's his only umbrella. Maybe he can't afford too much, but he gave it away anyways. And that's really cool. And like, that looks to be, I think it's a mother with a stroller and like, she's just out here caught in the rain and wow. really cool. I'm so happy that this was caught on camera, you know? I wonder how many times stuff like this happens and it's not caught on camera. I hope a lot. Okay. All right, we're all together, yes. He's a little short. We'll give him that. Yay, yeah. Let's go. I mean, that was just poor planning from the beginning though, guys. Like that was just like, like who decided to make this photo the way that this is? Like we gotta get that guy somehow, like we gotta have like a row of maybe like 4 in the front and then 2 in the back. Like I understand that's not how it's supposed to be, but either way, they adjusted. That was some solid adjustment skills right there. Some improv right on the fly. So like, love it.
Oh, the biggest hug ever. That's so cute. They saved this little thing. I don't even know what this animal is, but they saved it. Oh man, we should do a whole video of like animals getting saved. I think that'd be nice. Let me know if you want to see that, okay? Maybe we can make it happen. Who knows?